Alright, this is my animated first microwave there is. It is called the Tatung Gourmet Series Microwave. I think it exists like, in just like hotels or something, but this is from like 2007, I think that is. We're gonna microwave a pizza. So let's go ahead and open the microwave. Alright. Let's put the pizza in here. Now we're going to close the door. And we're going to do it for 10 seconds. Here we go. Let's hit start. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, end. Alright, let's open it back up. That looks like a very good pizza. And that's it.